Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing Instagram in chronological order. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Instagram app and tap on the Instagram logo in the top left corner of the homepage. Now you want to choose Following from the list. You will now see Instagram in chronological order. However, this will just be who you follow and you won't be able to see stories. To get back to your regular feed, tap on the back arrow in the top left corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.